What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jupiter guys. As you can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing guys. Yes, it has pumped up in value 22% in the last 24 hours, currently sitting at 0.006764 cents in target. So we're going to be going through its next potential pump or drop. Where is it heading to next? Is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it and take out your profits? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go, and is it worth investing into it? So yes guys, the market is down in the last 24 hours. As you can see, everything is red, and we can see here the market is down over 2.5%. However, Jupiter has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. So yeah, looking very good for Jupiter so far. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So here we can see in the last hour it has gained just about a percentage in value. Over the last day, 24% nearly. Over the week, 41%. And over the month, a huge 31%. It's been quite volatile. Even earlier on in December, it peaked up in value and then dropped back down, but right now it has gone for a major increase in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 500% in the last 24 hours, making it $3 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Jupiter. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. And there is no doubt that the trading volume is likely to go even higher, and the percentage much higher than what it is at the moment over the coming hours, as more and more people start to trade the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart right now, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jupiter, which at the moment is here in purple at 0.005217. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.006827, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses that you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart. We can see the blue and the orange line slightly heading towards the negative direction, looking a little bit bearish, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, I am expecting Jupiter to be trading at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. And again, as I mentioned plenty of times guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here to Jupiter, the crypto is likely to take a little step back, a little breather, and the exact same applies here as well. So yes, I'm expecting it to slowly start to drop down in value, but again, that's over the next 12 hours, which means towards the end of the day today. But in between that time, over the next 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, I'm expecting it to go through another little pump in value and then drop back down and potentially drop below the 0.0065 cents in target towards the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, now we're looking a little bit steep, which you guys would know if you're watching my videos that it's not looking too realistic. Especially the orange line is looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, looking very positive. That's not realistic. And we got the blue line slightly slanting towards the negative direction, meaning it's much more realistic than the orange line. So guys, what I am expecting over the coming days, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, so next week or so, by mid next week, I'm expecting Jupiter to have taken quite of a drop in value. Again, much lower than what it's worth at the moment, potentially dropping down to below 0.006 cents is what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days. However, this does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but it just means that the red days are going to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Jupiter over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week, we should be trading at much lower value than what it's worth at the moment. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we've got the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, looking quite bullish. However, we do have the blue line looking quite steep, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line slanting towards a positive direction. So that is realistic, guys. So an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from Jupiter over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about towards mid to late March 2023, I'm expecting an overall increase in value and potentially heading to the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting from Jupiter by mid-March. Again, guys, the 1 cent target is not too far off from where we are at the moment, so it is possible, unless of course the crypto market goes for a major crash or a bull run. Even it can have a positive or negative impact on the value of Jupiter. But anyway, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So these are my takes on Jupiter. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, guys, and we are in the lower part of the red zone, and potentially when I'm expecting us to hit the resistance target to head into the green zone is towards the end of the year, of course depending on market conditions, but the moment towards the end of the year is where I'm expecting Jupiter to be trading in the green zone or hitting the resistance target, because it's still got a huge percentage increase to go through for us to hit that target, but hopefully we can get that done. It's going to be a slow and steady process. I'm not expecting it to jump up all the way there in a couple of weeks or even a couple of months, because what's likely to take place after that is for it to straight away drop back down, just like what's happened previously, is jumped straight away up and then straight away has come back down. We don't want that. That's not really sustainable. We want it to go up in a slow and steady process and stay in the green zone rather than just hop up into the green zone and then straight away drop back down. We don't want that. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jupiter, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below your end of year target for Jupiter. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Personally, yes, the thumbnail says 10 cents. I've seen a lot of comments saying he's going to hit 10 cents in 2023, but again, that's a little bit of a push, guys. 10 cents is a bit too much for Jupiter to handle in about the next 11 months. It's going to have to take longer than that. Potentially next year, towards the end of next year, is when I'm expecting Jupiter to hit 10 cents. Of course, unless it surprises us, then yes. But yeah, I'm not expecting 10 cents this year from this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, as it's a free thing to do, so why not help me out, guys? And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.